Hello, P6 students. Welcome and thank you for watching our P6 Mathematics Campus Theory program. Today the topic is speed. And after watching this Campus Theory program, I hope that you understand the concept of speed and you understand how to use meter per second as the unit of speed, and you can solve problems in finding speed. And so situation now, a problem now. And Popo, Coco, and Bully, they took part in the 100-meter race running in the school's sports day. And here were the results. And for Popo, she ran and she finished the race in 15 seconds, and Coco 14 seconds, and Bully 13 seconds. So who won in the race? So after checking and compare their results. So very good, yes, you're correct. Obviously, when with the same moving distance, that means 100 meter, they three of them took part in the same 100-meter running. They ran for 100 meter. A person who finished the race with the shortest time wins the race. So that means Bully was the winner because he just need 13 seconds to finish 100 meters running. So that means his speed is the fastest. Okay, in another day, Popo, Coco, and Bully walked in an hour, and here is the distance they moved after 1 hour. And for Popo, she moved 3 km, and for Coco, he moved 4 km, and for Bully, he moved 3.5 km. So who walked faster? Okay, so yes, we can say that Coco walked the fastest. Why? Because a person who moves with the longest distance within the same period of time. Now in this example, so a person who walked, 3 of them walked for 1 hour, the same period of time, and the one who walked with the longer distance at the end, after 1 hour, is the fastest one, okay? Because he or she walked with the highest speed, that's why he can move or she can move with the longer distance. That's why after 1 hour, Coco moved 4 km and his walking speed is the fastest. And so what is the meaning of speed? Speed actually is the distance an object moves within a unit of time. Speed means the distance of an object moves within a unit of time. And so now, how about in this example? And below are the records of Bully and Coco in different running races. And Bully took part in a 100-meter race and he finished with the race in 20 seconds. And Coco finished another race that is 250-meter race with 25 seconds. And they finished the race with different distance. One is 100, one is 150, and with different period of time. One is 20 seconds, one is 25 seconds. So we can use the concept that we learned in the past 2 examples to distinguish or to determine who ran faster, because they have different distance, they have different time. So how can we judge? And Bully said, I completed the race in only 20 seconds, which is faster than Coco, because Coco used 25 seconds. So Bully said, I believe that I ran faster. And but Mr. Danny said, I'm the judge. Let me do the calculation and see who ran faster. And so for students, easy students, can you help Mr. Danny together to find out with the calculation who ran with faster speed? So let's do it together. So Bully said, I ran faster. Let's check out. So his running race is 100 meter, and we try to divide it by 20 seconds, the time that he finished the race. And we find out that means it's 500 divided by 20 is 5. What does it mean? That means in each second, Bully ran 5 meters on average. So for the first second, 5 meters, second, another 5 meters, so altogether 10 meters. So after 20 seconds, he finished the race. He finished the 100-meter race. So we say Bully ran 5 meters on average. And let's see Coco. Coco took part in a 250-meter race with 25 seconds. And we do the division between them, and that is 10. 250 divided by 25 is 10. And what does it mean? That means in each second, Coco ran 10 meters on average. So with this result, what can we conclude? As a conclusion, therefore, Coco ran faster because in each second after the division, we find that Coco ran more meters than Bully, and we say Coco ran faster. Bully ran 5 meters in each second on average, and we can say that the average speed of Bully was 5 meters per second. That means each second he ran with 5 meters. That is the meaning of average speed. Bully ran 5 meters per each second. And for Coco ran 10 meters in each second on average. That means the average speed of Coco was 10 meters per second. He ran 10 meters for each second. So let's do some conclusion for the definition of speed. Speed is the distance of an object moved within a unit of time. Okay, so we can use distance divided by time, to find the speed. And the speed with the unit meter per second is commonly used as the unit of speed, which can be written as meter/s, means this slash means per meter per second. And here are some daily example talking about or using speed for an animals, okay? And there are 3 examples. And the flying speed of a frigate bird can reach 160 meters per second. That means for each second, the frigate bird can fly 160 meters. And the running speed of a cheetah can reach 110 meters per second. So that means for each second, a cheetah can move 110 meters. And the swimming speed of a swordfish can reach 33 meters per second. And let's continue with some more examples. And finding the speed. And in the 100-meter man race of the London 2012 Olympic Games, and Jamaican Usain Bolt obtained a gold medal with a record of 9.6 seconds. So how many meters per second was his average speed? And we can round off the answer to the nearest 10. So do you remember how to find the speed? Let's go back to this page. How to find speed? Any one of you can tell me. We have to find out 2 data in this question. We have to use distance divided by time. Okay, let's go back to Usain Bolt's example. So we have to use the distance 100 meters divided by the time that he finished the race, 9.6 seconds. Okay, so let's try together using 100 divided by 9.6 in column 4. Okay, I give you few seconds to do so. Remember how to do division of decimal. Division of decimal. You have to align the decimal point, and then you have to calculate the answer up to the nearest hundredth in the column 4, and then do the rounding off. Okay, so 10 more seconds. 10 more seconds. Okay, so let's check the answer together. So 100 divided by 9.6, and then the answer actually is 10.41. 10.41. And then we round off because 1 here is less than 5. So we can round down 4 tens to 4 here in the tens place. So we can say Usain Bolt's average speed was 10.4 meters per second. That means for each second, he can move 10.4 meters. Okay, another one. So Cherry used 2 minutes to complete the running 480 meters. So how many meters per second was her average speed? So also finding average speed. So let's go back to the hints here, the notes. Here we have to use distance divided by speed to find, distance divided by the time to find the speed. So here we have to use the distance of the race, that is 480, divided by the time, 2 minutes. But bear in mind that we have to find out meter per second, but is it the time in second now? No, that is in minutes. So what should we do? Anyone know who can help? Yes, very good. You have to change minutes into seconds when doing division. And so 2 minutes is equal to how many seconds? Or if you have no ideas, then think about 1 minute equal to how many seconds? Yes, 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So 2 minutes means 60 seconds times 2, 120 seconds. So we can use distance 480 meters divided by the seconds, total second is 120. So 480 divided by 120, that is equal to 4. And so we find out the average speed of Cherry was 4 meters per second. And so before we end the Campus TV program today, I hope that you'll have to read these notes again. Oh, okay, let's read together. Speed is the distance of an object moves within a unit of time. Speed equal to distance divided by time. And meter per second is a commonly used unit of speed, which can be written as meter/s. The slash means per. And so that's the end of the Campus TV program today. Hope you enjoy and learned more about speed. So see you next time. Bye-bye.